Hi friends, welcome to Money Sorcery channel. At any point of time if you feel this video is valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more updates. So let us quickly discuss today's market updates. BSE Sensex is up by 236 points, that is 0.29%, and settled at 83,184 points. Nifty 50 is up by 38 points, that is 0.15%, and settled at 25,415 points. Bank Nifty is up by 287 points, that is 0.54%, and settled at 53,037 points. Nifty Mid Cap 100 Index is down by 400 points, that is 0.67%, and settled at 59,351 points. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index is down by 244 points, that is 1.26%, and settled at 19,144 points. The U.S. Federal Reserve announced its sixth policy decision for 2024 on September 18 after a two-day Federal Open Market Committee meeting, and slashed the benchmark interest rate by 50 basis points, half a percentage point, to 4.75%. 5% for the first time in 4 years, broadly in line with Wall Street estimates. U.S. Fed policymakers see the benchmark interest rate falling by another half point, 50 bps, by the end of this year, another full percentage point in 2025, and a final half-point reduction in 2026 to end in a 2.75%–3.00% range. MECH said in an exchange filing that we are pleased to inform that the company has received an order worth 865 crore rupees. Operation and maintenance of 3 by 660 MW supercritical thermal power plant of Talwandi Sabo Power Limited, a subsidiary of Vedanta Limited, at Banawala Village, Mansah District, Punjab. With this positive news, stock surged up in today's session at 12:30 p.m. Telecom stocks faced selling pressure during September 19 trade as the Supreme Court rejected telecommunication companies' plea for the recomputation of adjusted gross revenue dues. Bharti Airtel, Indus Towers and Vodafone Idea were among the telcos to have filed the curative petition, alleging grave error in the calculation of dues. The Department of Telecommunication, Bharti Airtel Limited, Vodafone Idea Limited, and other companies had filed the curative petition in the top court against the September 2020 order, which came against telecommunication companies. These companies paid a hefty amount to clear dues to the government in interest, penalty, and interest on penalty in 2019. In 2020, telecom firms went to Supreme Court and alleged that there was a grave error in the Department of Telecommunications' calculation of average gross revenue dues, coupled with an arbitrary penalty imposed on them. INFOSYS, a global leader in next-generation digital services and consulting, today announced it is extending its strategic collaboration with Posti, the leading delivery and logistics services provider in Finland, Sweden, and the Baltics. As part of the engagement, INFOSYS will help Posti enhance customer experience and operational efficiency while continuing to innovate, scale, and grow its IT operations. INFOSYS will adopt an AI-driven approach powered by INFOSYS Topaz, an AI-first offering using generative AI technologies, to empower Posti with operational efficiencies and service quality. Additionally, INFOSYS Cobalt will leverage its live enterprise application management platform, a cloud-enabled platform, to provide next-gen application management services for enterprises to accelerate their cloud journey to help drive business productivity. Company said in an exchange filing. MINDA said in an exchange filing that this is to inform you that the board of directors of the company has approved the setting up of a new manufacturing plant by PT MINDA ASEAN Automotive, wholly owned subsidiary of the company, which is engaged in the business of manufacturing and trading in automotive parts, electrical switches, power sockets, lever holder assemblies, horns, and lighting solutions, in Indonesia. With this expansion, PTMA will manufacture automotive parts such as tail lamp, backup lamp, and HMSL, which will mark a significant diversification into the passenger car segment. Once the new plant is commissioned, the existing plant will be relocated to the new site to consolidate operations and achieve economies of scale. The total capital expenditure for the new plant and the relocation is estimated at 210 crore rupees. With this positive news, stock surged up in today's session. Global fintech IRIS Business Services Limited has announced a collaboration with the government of Telangana to support growth of the MSME ecosystem in the state. At a glittering function held yesterday to mark the launch of the MSME policy for the state by Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, IRIS CEO S. Swaminathan, and the state's Special Chief Secretary Shri Jayesh Ranjan, signed a memorandum of understanding detailing the contours of collaboration. The collaboration will be a public-private partnership under the terms of which IRIS will invest to create and deliver technology-driven solutions, the costs of which the company may be allowed to recover through the levy of user charges. The role of the government will be to provide appropriate administrative and policy support, as required from time to time, and also help in creating awareness of the various initiatives to ensure percolation of the benefits therefrom to as many MSMEs as possible and to the maximum extent possible, IRIS said in an exchange filing. With this positive news, stock surged up in today's session. The Defense PSU Garden Reach Shipbuilders Limited, yesterday, secured an additional order worth $54 million for vessels from a German company. This has reference to our letter dated June 22, 2024, on the subject matter. In that communication, it was mentioned that GRSE signed a contract with M/S Karsten Redder Schiffsmakler and Reederei GmbH and Company KG Germany on June 22, 2024, for construction and delivery of multi-purpose vessels, with an option of building another 4 ships in the near future. The company has received a confirmation from the customer to buy and deliver an additional 4 multi-purpose vessels on the existing terms and conditions. The size of the order is additional approximate $54 million for further 4 vessels. The total value would be approximate $108 million for 8 vessels, GRSE stated. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.